Hello and welcome back to the Innovator Channel. You join us with a curiosity that once again is sort of the essence of being an innovator. What we have here, as you can see rather strangely, is my all-in-one standing computer. And as you can probably see, the keyboard is vertical. And you might quite rightly be wondering, why is that the case? As such, I don't tend to do too much typing, for one thing. And there's not really anywhere to put the keyboard. So the innovator steps in and says, how do I make this work for me? Maybe it could work for you, or the whole point of this channel is let's look at something a slightly different way and make it ours. Let's make it work how we want it. Now, you may have guessed how we've made this one work. It's not difficult. The keyboard is mine, so I modified it. And what did I do? Well, if we take it away, you can see it's very solidly fixed. Just here, and the other side, we've got magnets. We've got some very strong magnets. On the back of the keyboard, where are we? There we go. You can actually see there is actually another set of magnets, one either end. So you've got two very strong magnets that hold it in place. Now, while we're here, you also notice that a lot of us have issues with lots of different products, and that's what the Innovator Channel's all about. Cables and where they come out of machines, they break at sort of this point where things meet, charges and things. So with the 3D printer pen that I've got, which is in another, I've sort of talked about in another video, and maybe we'll make a video about how to do this. I actually made up a spiral out of filament with a 3D printer pen. I wrapped it around a screwdriver and I left a little tag on it, and what it does is it supports the cable here where it comes out the keyboard, and actually it's just retained with a nice tidy clip where it actually meets the plastic. And you've probably already noticed as well that to tidy up the cable, once again, it's the essence of the innovator. I wanted to keep the cable out the way. So what I've done is I've put a couple of cable ties into the back of the plastic. Let me see if I can get it so it's better for you. Where are we? And pushed them. I've just made a gap in the back of the plastic, cut some cable ties down and pushed them into the plastic of the keyboard to hold the cable out the way. And what it does, of course, when we put it back, there we go. See? Solid as you like. And it just runs the cable out. So it's not always sort of, flopping in the way of the screen. It takes it round the corner, and of course then it goes down to the back of the computer. It needs a bit of a tidy up now. It does a great job. It does a great job for me. And maybe you'll see something that this idea of fitting something in an unusual way will inspire you to do something the same. Not the same setup, not the same device. It could be something totally different, but this is what the channel's all about. Now we'll just pop this off here for a sec and see if this will work. Can we? No, I just wondered if I could turn the camera around, but it won't let me because I'm on video. So the other thing is, same sort of thing. If you look down here, let's get you down. This is a radiator, and it's the same sort of thing. Here we've got some magnets. We've got a magnet here, and whoa, come here. This is my little charger. You guys know what this is. same thing. This is where I sit. This is my sort of one of my little setups. I put magnets on the radiator, or the radiator's metal, so my charging lead is held where I want it, and when I want it, it's to hand. I don't need to move. It's all plugged in. And once again, this is about innovation and making your world how you want it to be. And maybe, hopefully, this will inspire you to do the same. All right. Till next time. Catch you later.